In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check all recent activities in Grammarly, step by step, so you can quickly review account sign-ins, past actions, and security activity from one place. This is a simple but important habit if you want to keep your Grammarly account secure and stay aware of any logins or changes you didn't expect. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to app.grammarly.com. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log in with your Grammarly account. Once you're inside, you'll be on your Grammarly dashboard. From here, look to the left-hand sidebar and click on Account. This is where Grammarly keeps your account-related settings and security options. After that, click on Settings. Inside the Settings area, look for Security Overview and select it. This section is designed to give you a clearer view of your account security details, including recent activity and any important login information. Now, scroll or look for the Recent Activity section. This is the part you want to focus on. Here, Grammarly shows you past actions, sign-ins, and the locations associated with your account activity. You can use this to check whether everything looks familiar and make sure your account is only being accessed from places you recognize. If you see any activity that looks unusual, that's a good sign you should take the next step and review your account security right away. It could mean someone else has accessed your account, or it could just be a login from a new device or location. Either way, this section gives you the information you need to stay on top of it, and that's it. In just a few clicks, you can check all recent activities in Grammarly and review your account history from the Security Overview page. It's a fast and easy way to keep your account safe and stay informed. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.